After powering up the layout, the first thing that happens is the table will home itself. That is so the stepper motor knows where the 0 point is, so it can go to the correct locations for the tracks. If we haven't got any tracks programmed, we would need to go into program mode. And this is done by holding the program button down for a period of time. I think it's 10 seconds it's set for. Once that happens, the table will home itself once again as part of the program setup, and then it takes off and starts counting the number of steps in a full revolution. It's got to know the number of steps there so it can, as another means to figure out where it's at. The control panel that I've created has several features. It's got buttons for the tracks. Those tracks are the entry and exit. We've got the gray area is the roundhouse, and then I've got an additional track outside the roundhouse. There's the program button. The H and the T are used a couple of ways. One is to rotate the track around when you're programming, forward and reverse. The other would be to select the which end of the table goes to the track. Now I'm going to program track number 1. So I'm going to move around to track number 1 here. First of all, the next thing we're going to do is just press the track number 1 button, and that is the head end of the turntable, so we want to push the H. Now that track is programmed. We're ready to move on to the next track that we'd like to program, so I'm going to move clockwise around by pushing the H, and then we will program track number 2, head end. Now if we wanted to program another track, we're gonna go all the way around and finish programming these. We're going to program the tail end of track 1, so we're moving the house end away from the track. We'll push the track and we'll hit the T for tail end. That one's programmed. We're going to move around and go ahead and finish up here with track number 2. We're going to move over to position 2, push the button, and tail end. And we are done with that. Pressing the program button again gets us out of program mode and also stores the track positions that we've created. Now we're ready to move to try it out. Let's go to track 1. Now we've also got the capability of controlling this with the Digitrax controller or DCC controller. I can hit the switch button and tell it I want to go to track number 301, which would be actually track number 1. And if I hit the C button, it'll move the house towards it. If I would hit the T button, it would move the tail end of the track towards it. So it's pretty versatile. I should be able to also control this with the JMRI software once I get that all set up.